Axos Bank Review 2025. Is this online bank worth it? You won't believe how much online banking has evolved in 2025. Axos Bank offers high-yield savings, checking accounts, and digital financial tools, but is it the right bank for your money? The surprising truth is efficiency. Most people get this wrong by thinking online banks lack personal service. Axos provides customer support, fast account opening, and seamless digital management. You can access checking, savings, and investment accounts in one place, making your financial life simpler and more organized. Another advantage is high interest rates. You won't believe what happens next when you see that Axos consistently offers competitive APYs on savings and checking accounts, often higher than traditional brick and mortar banks. Plus, there are no monthly maintenance fees on most accounts, and reimbursements for admin fees worldwide make it traveller friendly. However, there are some cons. Since Axos is fully online, there are no physical branches, which may be a downside for those who prefer in-person banking. Some account types require minimum balances to earn maximum interest. Also, wire transfers and certain premium services may carry additional fees. In conclusion, Axos Bank in 2025 is ideal for tech-savvy users seeking high-yield accounts and convenient digital banking. While it lacks physical branches, its competitive interest rates, low fees, and robust mobile platform make it a strong contender for anyone looking to maximize their savings and streamline financial management.